Do you suffer from some kind of sleep disorder? Be that insomnia, be that not being able to fall asleep quickly, easily and effortlessly, or waking up timeless times in the night, or waking up early, not able to get back to sleep? Is that you? Have you tried Ambien? Have you tried other kind of sleep apparatus, sleep machines, sleep specialists, yet you still suffer from sleep issues? Hypnosis can help. For over 22 years now, I've been helping people just like you deal with issues such as sleep, overcome the symptoms of insomnia, to no longer take anxiety to bed with them anymore, so they can sleep peacefully each and every night for the designated amount of time they need to wake up and feel refreshed and invigorated. That was easy for me to say. If that's you and you need help, then go to www.lukenosis.com or dial 613-878-5874.